Welcome in this new video talking about PCWIN2. I will talk about the two solutions possible, the direct IP solution and the PCCom4 solution. Then I will talk about the main features in PCWIN2 with the presentation of the configuration and the operation mode. And then we will see the home page functionalities. Now let's talk about the direct IP solution. The direct IP solution is made for two different IP communications: the local network communication and the internet communication. Let's describe what is the local network communication. It means that you only want to communicate with RTUs directly on your network, without using internet at all. This network will be defined by a local IP address range. The second possible IP communication is through internet. But now it is necessary to have a supervision with an access to a router with a static IP address on the internet network. So, to communicate with an RTU, we need to know its IP address. That's why the RTUs with a static IP address on internet will allow us to reach them and to communicate with. But if you can't have access to a static IP address for your RTUs, it's not over. We made a product dedicated for this function. The SG4000, provided by Lacroix Sofrel, is an equipment able to generate a static IP address on an RTU, even if it has a non-static IP address with its SIM card package. Now let's talk about the PCCom4 solution. The PCCom4 allows the supervision to communicate and to receive information from other communication carriers, depending on the communication cards you choose. This equipment is a good way to extend the network and to allow text message alarm reporting, which is not possible in direct IP solution. The PCCom4 is also able to store a configuration of a data logger and to send it during the next communication. I would like to present you the Selector tool. The Selector tool is a screen icon you can find on your taskbar. This selector is a shortcut for the main functionalities of PCWIN2. It can be red, black or green. If you let your cursor on it, you have the operation status. By right-clicking on the selector, you will see the four shortcuts. In About, you will find all the main characteristics of your license and your version installed. We can see the version and your key number at the top of the window and all your options below. You also have the data point capacity and the number of equipment you can create with your license. If you click on Online Help, you will be redirected to the web page of the help. All the documentations about PCWIN2 are there, with examples and solutions. Then you have Operation. This is a shortcut for the operation window. Be careful. This shortcut will open the old version of operation. If you want to reach the HTML5 operation, you will need to modify the URL with stdweb instead of web, as shown here. In configuration, you will have access to the home page of configuration with an overview of your centralization. This is from here that you will modify everything of the operation. Now let's do a quick overview of the home page of PCWIN2. Here at the top left of the window we have the three menus. The first one is General Environment. In this menu you will configure the user settings and the communication models. The next menu is Alarm Report, in which one you can create the schedules and the sequences that you can assign to the users. Then we have the Station menu. In this menu you will have access to all the devices and network stations created. You have all the operation settings such as mimic diagrams, reports, curves configuration, and much more. On the home page, you have important information and settings. You have the number of stations and data points. In the monitor on the right, you have the number of mimic diagrams, reports, and curves. Just below, you have the Preferences menu. In this menu, you can modify the general settings of PCWIN2. Then you have the menu to add or modify devices. It's the menu that we will use to add a data logger or an RTU in the configuration. Finally, at the top we have 4 important buttons. The first one is to verify your configuration before using the second button, Synchronize Operation. And to conclude, you have Import and Export for the configuration. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new video.